Book 317, The Magic Key minus the Moka Pot. Biff and Chip were in the kitchen watching Mum brew coffee in a shiny metal pot on the stove. Suddenly, the magic key in Chip's pocket began to glow bright green. The magic took them to a sunlit workshop in Piedmont, northern Italy in the year 1933. A cheerful metalworker with rolled-up sleeves was sketching at a workbench. The man smiled and introduced himself as Alfonso Bialetti. He explained that in 1933, espresso coffee was only available in expensive cafes with giant machines. I wanted ordinary families to enjoy rich, concentrated coffee at home. Alfonso explained. He told them his idea came from watching local women wash clothes with a boiler called a lessiveuse. The laundry boiler used steam pressure to force soapy water up a central pipe. Alfonso laughed. I thought, why not use steam pressure to brew coffee the exact same way? Alfonso held up his new 8-sided aluminum coffee maker, the Moka Express. He unscrewed it to show Biff and Chip the bottom boiler, the funnel filter, and the upper collection chamber. Alfonso filled the bottom boiler with fresh water just below the safety release valve. He spooned medium fine ground coffee into the funnel filter without pressing it down and screwed the top on tightly. He placed the Moka pot over a small gas flame. As the water heated, trapped air and expanding steam built up between 1 and 2 bars of pressure inside the sealed boiler. The pressure pushed the hot water up through the coffee grounds. Dark, fragrant coffee traveled up the central chimney and poured smoothly into the top chamber with a gentle gurgle. This is very different from drip coffee, which relies only on gravity, Alfonso noted. And unlike a French press that simply steeps grounds in water, steam pressure extracts deep, rich flavors. Commercial cafe espresso machines use huge pumps with 9 bars of pressure. Alfonso explained.
Our Moka Pot brings that strong, velvety coffee right to your own stove atop.
The magic key began to glow bright green. The magic took Biff and Chip back to their kitchen, just as Mum poured her warm coffee. What a clever invention, Chip smiled.